Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Claim 2. This is a trick-taking card game designed for 2 to 4 players, where your main objective is to capture the majority of at least 3 distinct factions. The game uses a standard 52-card deck, divided into 5 unique factions, each possessing special powers that significantly influence how you play and win tricks throughout the game. It's a game of strategy and careful card management. Phase 1, called Recruit Followers, begins with each player being dealt 13 cards. For each trick, 1 card is flipped face-up from the draw pile, becoming the prize. Players take turns playing a single card, always following the lead faction if they can. The highest card of the lead faction wins the trick. The winner claims the face-up card, while the other player draws a new card from the deck. Moving into Phase 2, you will now use the cards you recruited as your new hand. The player who won the final trick of Phase 1 leads the first trick here. Just like before, players must follow the lead faction if they have a matching card. The highest card of the lead faction wins the trick, and that player collects all cards played in that trick, adding them to their score pile. Faction powers are now fully active. To determine the winner, players count the cards of each faction in their score piles. The player with the most cards in a specific faction wins that faction's support. To claim victory, you must win the support of at least 3 different factions. In case of a tie for faction majorities, the player with the most cards from those tied factions wins. If still tied, the highest value card breaks the deadlock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.